I'm just dusting this off so we can put our symbol, our Stackhouse symbol in the bass drum.
Cool.
Yeah. It's time to hear it all. Believe what you want, I don't care what you say. It won't matter anyway. I met some friends and joined a band. Things were perfect and life was grand, but so you're not feeling there was more I could be. And now I'm wondering, is there a point to me? What is my purpose? I'm living on repeat. What's under the surface? I'm living on repeat.